Hello guys, this is the reason why we call this beer Red Dragon beer, because we use the red dragon fruit. There is two quality, one red or purple and one white, so be careful when you buy it, ask, because from outside they are the same. Plus we need 1300 gram of Vienna malt, 180 gram of Cara red malt, 160 gram of rolled barley and 60 gram of oatmeal, plus 250 gram of coconut sugar, 18 gram of hops, I will use the Cascade. The yeast, I will use the S04, and naturally you need 8 liters of water. Now we put 5 liter 5 on the stove. When we reach the temperature of 52 Celsius degree, we add the barley and the flakes. We wait 5 minutes and after we on the fire again, because we reach the temperature of 65 Celsius degree. After 5 minutes, we on again the stove. We reach the temperature of 65 Celsius degree. After we off the stove, we cover and we wait 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we on again our stove. We reach the temperature of 70 Celsius degree. We off the stove and we wait other 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes we on again the stove and we reach the temperature of 78 Celsius degree. We should do the same with the other 3 liters of water, 78 Celsius degree. This one will be faster. When we reach 78 Celsius degree, we off the stove and we wait 10-15 minutes. After we collect the first part of the wort and we will add the water on the barley here that is in this pot, and we wait again 10-15 minutes, and after we will need to open our beer. Collect all our wort, we put on the stove at the maximum power. When the wort starts boiling, we add the hops. we boil 45 minutes and after we add the dragon fruit. But see you later. Because I need to cut the fruit, I change. Because I want to dress properly. No, I'm joking, I'm cooking other recipe. After 45 minutes, we will add the dragon fruit inside our wort. And also if you have kids, or to make a fun joke to your wife, you should do like this, with the remnant dragon fruit. Okay, let's go ahead with the recipe. So now we add the dragon fruit. After other 10 minutes, we will add the coconut sugar. And after 5 minutes that we have put the coconut sugar, we remove our wort from the stove. We put in a basin with cold water. If you have ice, you can add the ice, and we drop off the temperature the faster that we can. The color is already spectacular. Now I take half glass of our wort. I will add the yeast, I will cover, and tonight before going to sleep we will put our starter inside the fermenter. I have already filtered my wort with this. It's a coffee filter in material, in cotton. In this way our beer is already very clear. And also I will check the initial gravity because I want to know the alcohol content. The initial gravity is 1066. See you tonight to put the yeast inside the fermenter. After a few hours you can notice that inside the glass the fermentation is already started. You can see also from the plastic wrap. Now we put our starter in the fermenter. We close with the airlock and see you tomorrow morning to check if the fermentation start. Good night. Good morning. Like you can see, after 8 hours the fermentation is running. You can recognize from the foam on the top and from the airlock. See you at the end of the fermentation when we will put our beer in the bottles. After 1 week we can put in the bottle, so now I will remove the airlock. I will take a little bit of beer to check the final gravity. In this way we can know the alcohol content, and after we put in the bottle. Now we add the sugar in the bottle. Remember, each liter of beer you will add 10 grams of sugar. My bottles are 250 ml, 330 ml, so I will use 3-4 grams of sugar each bottle. If you like, you can collect the yeast for the next fermentation. You can keep in the fridge at least 6 months. With these ingredients and this recipe, we get more or less 4 liters of beer. The final gravity is 1016. The initial gravity was 1066, so the gap is 50. Now we divide 50 for 7.5, we get 6.6 plus 0.5 because the beer will ferment again in the bottle. The alcohol content of our beer is 7.1%. Very good, but be careful because the alcohol content is 7.1%, so be careful, drink with moderation. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends. Any comments, any question, please write down. Also, if you know this kind of fruit, let me know. Bye bye.